All right. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about this. I just woke up, I got this package right here, and you are going to watch this unboxing with me. I was always passionate about tech. As a kid, I was not able to afford it in Eastern Europe. My brother and I used to make phones and devices and smartwatches out of paper and cardboard. So yeah, let me tell you about the phones that I used to have. Then the first one was the Nokia 3310, and after that I went crazy and bought the Nokia N71. And after that I went even more crazy with the Nokia communicator, the E90. And after that I had the Nokia N93. After the N93 I went to the N900. After the N900 I wanted to make a change, so I went with the Note, the Galaxy Note, the first one. Now after that I bought the Galaxy camera. Obviously it's not a phone. And after that I ditched the Galaxy camera and got the Galaxy K Zoom, which is a bit of a successor really, but I had to also ditch that at one point. One of my all-time favorite devices at that time, the Note Edge. Can we talk about this screen burn with the Android phones? What the fuck is up with that? Yeah, I had enough of that, and I decided to go with the Note 8, which I still have here with the battery case. Very slick, very elegant phone. I absolutely love it. So here we are, present day, and here it is. Ta-da! Let's put this like this. Okay. First layer of bubble wrap, and I can already see it. Can you guess what it is yet? Bill? Oh my god. I bought a Z Fold 2. Obviously, it's sealed, as we can see. You know, no bullshit around here. I was about to say this is not a new phone, but it is a new phone. This was released 5 months ago. Okay, I think this slides, right? Yes. The first Fold, you know, was a nice device actually. Had a few problems, but you know, in essence, it was still new and different. Okay, now we're talking. What? Now we're talking. Let me get up close. Of course, this is. Of course, it is backwards. There you go. Yeah, so let's do this. Change the shape of the future. All right. And this is what is this? I think this is the SIM. What is this? This is your usual books and shit, I assume. Don't need that. So you have your care instructions here. Well, actually, this is the actual phone. Never mind. It has some dirt on it. Of course, I had to go with the bronze. Change it up a bit. I only had black phones. There's a Premier service. Yeah. There's a charger which is not European. cables. Yeah, okay, a cable. And how about that? I got headphones. Thank God, because this is a very expensive phone. I didn't pay retail for it, of course. And what is this? Yeah, so this is Samsung trolling us with a piece of useless cardboard just as a filler, but it has a code on it. And what else you have here is a small tiny jar of Vaseline. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. So I like this little useless thingy here. Okay, so this is the phone. It is exactly what you'd expected. Ooh, that was a bit of a weird sound. Going to get this off. This feels so nice, so sturdy, and I love it. We are all done. Of course, you got your instructions about taking care of the device. Unless you are a baboon, you probably know how to use a phone, even though that's a that's not a very good thing to say about baboons. So it's just a matter of setting everything up. I should say the phone feels really nice and it's really super fast. And let's do this one more time. Let me just also unbox this. So I have decided to invest in myself even more, and I have bought an electronic keyboard. Very basic because you know I don't know how to play piano, but I'm planning to learn, so I don't need something that's very expensive. So I bought this inexpensive Casio keyboard, and there you go. Right, so that's about it. I'm going to continue play with this insane device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.